Class 11 NCERT Maths Chapter 2 Relations and Functions. In this video we are going to learn algebra of real functions and exercise number 2.3. Algebra of real functions. 1. Addition of two real functions. Let f from x to r and g from x to r be any two real functions where x subset r. Then we define f plus g from x to r by f plus g at x equal to fx plus gx. 2. Subtraction of a function from another. Let f from x to r and g from x to r be any two real functions where x subset r. Then we define f minus g from x to r by f minus g at x equal to fx minus gx. 3. Multiplication of scalar. Let f from x to r be a real valued function and alpha be a scalar. Here by scalar we mean a real number. Then the product of alpha f is a function from x to r defined by alpha f at x equal to alpha into fx, where x belongs to x. 4. Multiplication of two real functions. Let f from x to r and g from x to r be any two real functions where x subset r. Then we define fg from x to r by fg at x equal to fx into gx. This is also called point-wise multiplication. Quotient of two real functions. Let f from x to r and g from x to r be any two real functions where x subset r. Then we define f upon g from x to r by f upon g at x equal to fx upon gx, provide that gx not equal to 0 where x belongs to x. Exercise number 2.3. Question 1. Which of the following relations are functions? Give reasons. If it is a function, determine its domain and range. Number 1. Order pair 2, 1, 5, 1, 8, 1, 11, 1, 14, 1 and 17, 1. Yes, it is function because 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17, these all are associated with 1. So there is a unique association of a number. That means 2 is associated with 1 and 2 is not associated with any other number. The same way 5 is associated with 1, 5 is not associated with any other number. The same way we can find out 8, 11, 14 and 17 are not associated other than 1. Therefore it is a function, and here domain is 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17 and range is singleton 1. Here range is singleton set, hence it is a constant function. In question number 1, second problem, 2, 1, 4, 2, 6, 3, 8, 4, 10, 5, 12, 6, 14, 7. So yes, it is a function because 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14 are associated with a unique number. That means 2 is associated with only 1. 4 is associated with only 2. 6 is associated with only 3. 8 is associated with only 4. 10 is associated with only 5. 12 is associated with only 6. And 14 is associated with only 7. So domain is set 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and range is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In question number 1 of exercise 2.3, third number 131525, no, it is not a function because 1 is associated with 3 and 5, so it is not a unique association. Exercise 2.3, question 2. Find the domain and the range of the following real functions. Number 1. fx equal to minus modulus x Here we take any value of r from x. So domain is r. Answer for any value of x will be negative. So range is r minus union 0. Because when we put f of 0, our answer will be 0. And if you are taking any value of x from r, then your answer will be negative, because here minus modulus x is given. Modulus x will give always positive, but ahead of modulus there is a negative sign, so answer will be negative, and this will not attain any time positive number. So here range is r minus union 0. Exercise 2.3, question second. Find the domain and range of the following real functions. Second number, fx equal to under root 9 minus x square. Let us take under root 9 minus x square is greater than equal to 0. Therefore 9 minus x square is greater than equal to 0. Therefore 9 greater than equal to x square. Therefore x square less than equal to 9. Therefore minus 3 less than equal to x less than equal to 3. Therefore x belongs to close interval minus 3 to 3. So domain equal to close interval minus 3 to 3. But answer of this function will be from 0 to 3. So range equal to close interval 0 to 3. Exercise 2.3, question third. A function f is defined by fx equal to 2x minus 5. Write the values of number 1 f0, number 2 f7, number 3 f of minus 3. Number 1 f0, fx equal to 2x minus 5. Therefore f0 equal to 2 into 0 minus 5. Therefore f0 equal to minus 5. Number 2 f7, fx equal to 2x minus 5. Therefore f7 equal to 2 into 7 minus 5. Therefore f7 equal to 9, because 7 2s are 14 and 14 minus 5 equal to 9. Number 3 f of minus 3. Fx equal to 2x minus 5. Therefore f of minus 3 equal to 2 into minus 3 minus 5. Therefore it will be minus 6 minus 5. Therefore f of minus 3 is equal to minus 11. Question 4. The function t, which maps temperature Celsius into temperature in degree Fahrenheit by T of C equal to 9C upon 5 plus 32, find number 1 T0, number 2 T28, number 3 T of minus 10, and number 4 the value of C when T of C equal to 212. Number 1 T0, T of C equal to 9C upon 5 plus 32. Let us keep C equal to 0. Therefore T0 equal to 9 into 0 upon 5 plus 32. Therefore T0 equal to 32. It means 0 degree Celsius equal to 32 degree Fahrenheit. Number second, T28. T of C equal to 9C upon 5 plus 32. Therefore T of 28 equal to 9 into 28 upon 5 plus 32. Therefore T of 28 equal to 50.4 plus 32. Therefore T of 28 equal to 80.4. It means 28 degree Celsius is equal to 80.4 degree Fahrenheit. Number third, T of minus 10. T of C equal to 9C upon 5 plus 32. Therefore T of minus 10 equal to 9 into minus 10 upon 5 plus 32. Therefore T of minus 10 equal to minus 18 plus 32. Therefore T of minus 10 equal to 14. It means minus 10 degree Celsius is equal to 14 degree Fahrenheit. Number 4, the value of C when T of C equal to 212. T of C equal to 9C upon 5 plus 32. Therefore 212 equal to 9C upon 5 plus 32. Now let us shift 32 from right to left. Then we will get 180 equal to 9C upon 5. Now shifting 5 from right side denominator to left side, then we can get 180 into 5 equal to 9C. Therefore 900 equal to 9C. Then value of C will be 100. It means 212 degree Fahrenheit. Then degree Celsius will be 100. Find the range of each of the following functions. Number 1, fx equal to 2 minus 3x. X belongs to R. X greater than 0, it is given. X greater than 0 is given. Therefore, minus x less than 0. Therefore, minus 3x less than 0. Therefore, 2 minus 3x less than 2 plus 0. Therefore, fx less than 2. Therefore, range of fx is open interval minus infinite to 2. Second problem, fx equal to x square plus 2. X is a real number. X belongs to R. Therefore, x square greater than equal to 0. Therefore, x square plus 2 greater than equal to 0 plus 2. Therefore, fx greater than equal to 2 because x square plus 2 is fx given. Therefore, range of fx is closed interval 2 to open interval infinite. Find the range of each of the following functions. Question 5, in that number third, fx equal to x. X is a real number. X is a real number. Therefore, fx is a real number. Therefore, range of fx is R.